In my previous video, I showed how to extend your C drive with unallocated space, and at the last step we had to re-enable the recovery agent. Sometimes you might get the following error: REAGENT.EXE, the Windows RE image was not found, or a similar error, cannot find recovery environment. Now this happens normally because of a missing recovery image. Maybe it was corrupted, bad Windows update, maybe you did something wrong and it's now inaccessible. We can check it by going into the Windows System32 and recovery folder. And here you're probably missing the Winre.wim file, like I do right now. To fix this, open your browser and write Windows 10 or 11, depending on which one you use, ISO. Make sure to go to the website of Microsoft.com and scroll down until you find the Download Windows Disk Image ISO. Select the multi-edition ISO, confirm, it might take a second. Choose the region. In my example, I'll just go the English United States and confirm. Here I have the 64-bit download. Downloading is quite big, so it might take a while. So my file just downloaded. Make sure to click this little folder icon, which will open where the file was downloaded. As you can see, this is a disk image, so let's double click on it. This will take a while, especially if your computer is not as fast, as this is gonna mount this file as a new drive, and it will show down here. Here you can see, make sure to click open, and it will open the DVD drive. Let's go to sources and search for install. In my example, I have install.vim. You might have something that looks like ESD. Both of them are the same files, so don't worry about it. Let's move this to the desktop. You can now close this. This is a file that needs to be extracted, so we'll go back and install one more thing that's called 7-zip. This is a program that allows us to unarchive files. It might look weird like this, but just click the first download link and just run it and install. Now the next thing you have to do is open the file with 7-zip, open archive. This can take some time, but for me it was almost instant. Now you will see the following numbers. Before you open any, go back to your command prompt and write the following command: system info. It will put a lot of data out, but you're only interested in the following. I use Windows 11 Pro. On your screen, you will be able to see a chart where it shows which Windows version corresponds to which folder. In my example, Windows 11 Pro is folder 6. Now here you will see the same thing like you see on your drive. Let's go to the Windows, System32, and recovery. Here you can see the Winre.wim file. Let's move it on our desktop. This is the file that we need, and we will move it back to the Windows System32 recovery. It will require admin privileges. Now the file is in. Let's try again to run the Windows recovery agent. And here we are. REAGENT.EXE operation successful. Now we can remove this file. Unmount the drive and delete the ISO file. That's all for today's video. I hope you liked it, enjoyed it, and if you have any questions or need help, feel free to comment down below and I'll try my best to help you out. Peace.